Charlie Harper established his minimal realism style that would later serve as inspiration to countless contemporary artists and art fans around the world. As one of Cincinnati's first notable public artists, Harper's murals and posters have helped form the foundation for Cincinnati public art movement that has received national attention. In 1970, Harper was commissioned to create a mural that would become one of the only non-representational images he would create. It was an abstract constellation made up of 30,000 tiles, inspired by Neil Armstrong's first historic steps on the moon, titled Spacewalk. 17 years later, Harper still did not have the national acclaim he does today, and during a convention center renovation, the mural was covered and hidden away for nearly 30 years, until now. As a part of a $5 million convention center upgrade, the 1970 mural, estimated to be worth over $1 million and in good condition, had been carefully uncovered, meticulously restored, and gladly shared once again with the public. It's not often you're given an opportunity to see something for the first time. Again. Thanks to the City of Cincinnati, Duke Energy Convention Center, and the Charlie Harper Estate, this public art treasure will again be available to be enjoyed and appreciated.